Hey, lovely people. Welcome to Prabhashi Papori, another episode, and this one is real special. You ask me why. All the women out there who've seen the motherhood will know why I'm saying this. Today is the Mother's Day, and we're doing a Mother's special episode on podcast. And of course, when I say that, it's not just motherhood that we're going to be talking about with our guest today. It's beyond motherhood. It's about sacrifice, strength, and self-discovery. Put your hands together when I say that. I know I can hear you from the heart. Let's welcome the one and only, the OG, Yasmin Seth. Hi. And why are you laughing, Yas? Were you wondering what's OG?
Yeah,
Do you know what's OG?
I thought it was old guys.
And you thought, how can I be a guy and an old one?
Yeah.
You're forever young.
And then you know what I did? I Googled
And you found what it is. So tell me what it is now.
the original.
Yes, give me a high five. So yes, wow, old guys. I need to now think if I can actually rethink about the definition
Because
of the
you kept
OG.
saying that you do your podcast with,
With OGs. Yes.
Okay, if she's calling me, then
I-
I also saw your back episodes. I said, okay, maybe it's the old guys.
Okay. Old guys haven't heard that.
Okay.
So the originals are here, and of course, when we talk about motherhood, I think the name that just comes right up there, springing into my head, is you, Yas. And I've known you for more than 15 years now, all thanks to the great friends that we had, common friends that we had. And when we talk about motherhood, is also because somewhere people only think about how, you've been just a mother. So this is beyond motherhood, and that's why I really wanted to have a beautiful conversation with you, know you a little more, a tad bit more than what I already know you. And what for me, think about those millions of viewers who are going to watch you today. They should know what you have put in there to be who you are today, and such a beautiful soul. Okay, welcome once again to the episode.
Thank you
and
so much.
wishing you a very, very happy Mother's Day.
I wish you the same, and I wish each and every mother a very happy Mother's Day.
Thank you so much, yes. All right, so without much further ado, that one thing that I always wanted to know is like, people talk about the motherhood and how difficult was it, how challenging was it. But when I know what I know about you, without going too much into the depth, but you've been single parenting, right? And when did this journey begin? So that is what I really want you to share with all of us. When did this journey begin?
I think while we were living together also, it was almost like a single
parenting.
parent. And so it just continued the same way.
Yeah, so it's been for a very, very long
Very,
time.
very
and
long
time
time.
that you would probably not even remember, because
Yeah.
that's how you started and been doing it. Now, have you particularly felt, because you said, now that I'm hearing you, that even while you were together, you were still single parenting. Now, here's the next one that I really want to know. This is totally for me. Maybe I need to understand this. Have you felt the challenges of a single parent while you were doing, or you never even came to know of the challenges? How was it? Like, did you feel it? Did you sense it? Did you wish it wasn't like that, or something like that? Did you ever go through those kind of emotions and phases?
Not really, because in fact now when you talk about it, I'm actually trying to
Recollect.
recollect and go back into times, because one thing I thought about when I had challenges of course are there.
Must be, I'm sure. Yeah.
And having two kids who are really,
Young.
they were very young, and they were very smart kids. So, also with all that, challenges were there.
Yeah.
Whether to say, sometimes to say no, or sometimes to allow, and how much to allow. All these things, challenges were definitely there. But one thing very early on that I realized is God knows better.
Wow.
So He chooses the one who can actually handle
I
things
so agree with
out
you.
of the two. So I hear a lot of people saying, you know, oh, I am a single parent. I feel sad about it. I don't think you have to feel sad about it because
You're the
you
chosen
are the
one.
chosen one.
Wow, you're just chosen one. Yeah, I
And
think
then you
should-
just do it, and
Yeah.
He will give you the strength.
He'll give you the strength. As I said, it is a story about strength, resilience, self discovery. And I'm so excited to know more and more of you and about you. So, when you were talking about challenges, why am I dwelling on this a little bit more? Is because, as you rightly said, there are people who come and feel single parenting. Oh, it's so tough. It's so challenging. It's so sad. They start pitying themselves, and that's the reason why I want to dwell on this, saying that, hey, it's just, you were the chosen one, and I think you're just doing well. You're doing it so well. When you say challenges in different kind of aspects, probably I would put it this way. What do you think was the biggest challenge? Was it emotional, physical, or financial?
Financial was big
I agree.
because I come from a very, very protected family, and I never stepped out.
Okay, you were like taken care like a queen.
Taken care like
Wow,
a queen.
wow.
I was at home.
Ah.
We never even went out shopping for the groceries.
Oh,
Everything was done.
Done.
We just had to sit on the table and eat.
my goodness.
Everything. you know,
Coming
was
from that
taken
life.
care. Yeah,
and-
that life.
Yeah.
And then you, first of all, coming out of the house and being with another family itself was challenging because
it
we
is.
never went anywhere.
Right.
You know, we always lived with the family, and it always went like this. And the thing was, when I after 11 years, when I had to actually step out
My
to
goodness.
get into the world and
My
make
God.
that money,
Yeah.
it was very, very challenging for me because from that day till today,
Yeah.
I've only been learning and implementing.
That's amazing.
I've been learning, I've been implementing.
So you have worked earlier. That means when you said you stepped out, of course, for a
I worked
living.
with a computer firm.
First, that was your
my
first job.
And my boss, who was then, it's been now 35 plus years.
Wow.
And we are still in touch.
Wow. God bless him. Really. I'm sure he would have been one of the nicest person that you met.
Very
at your
nice,
best.
very nice.
Right.
So that's why I think, people who mentor also should have a lot of patience and never give up.
Mm.
So I always thank him for where we are today.
Yeah, I'm sure. So that was the only job you did, or did you try out different jobs, or how was it?
No,
like,
I when I got into that job, I was there for about one and a half, 2 years
2 years with the
Yeah.
computer firm.
with a computer firm.
Okay.
And then I kind of went and told sir that I need to step down.
yeah.
And I started my supermarket.
Your own supermarket?
I started my own supermarket in
Wow.
Bangalore, which was called Value Mart.
Wow.
I
Wait a
had-
minute. Was it on Old Airport Road?
Yes, Damloor.
Was it in
Yes.
Diamond?
Those are all my
Wow.
supermarkets. And one in Alsur.
Wow. Look at how I'm recollecting things. Then
Yeah.
I would have probably seen you around, or, oh my goodness, you're a strong lady.
I was
said.
all over the place then,
Yeah,
because
I
I was running the
Yeah,
supermarket.
yeah,
and-
I can imagine.
And even today, people just come up to you and say, "How are you? How are the kids?"
And
And I
laugh.
was like,
When did
I
you
don't
see
know
me?
them, but
they know you.
recognize me because I haven't changed my looks much.
Yes. I completely agree on
yeah.
that, because what I saw you even 15 years ago, you're still just the same. Yeah. And yeah, so this would have been hard, but I'm sure, since you found your way, even if you probably knew that this is not what you're going to continue for the rest of your life, but at that moment,
That moment,
was
that was the thing.
thing, and you
Because
had no-
anything that gave me the wings to make,
you just grab that opportunity. I think that's the
I
best
wouldn't,
thing.
I wouldn't let it
Yeah,
go.
because rather than sitting and brooding and thinking what next to do, what I
15
should
years.
do.
I run my supermarkets
Wow.
for 15 years. And
That's
then,
amazing.
Yeah, and when I sold my business, I got into the corporate. I worked with
Great
Jubilant.
experience.
I worked with Jubilant as a process analyst for almost 7, 8 years.
Wow, lovely. Oh my goodness. This is what I'm saying. So people know Yas as somebody that of late people would have said, oh, she raised stars, she raised the celebrities. But nothing happens on its own. The mother, the strength of her, the push that she gives, the encouragement that she gives is what even the child learns from the mother, right? And having said that, I'm sure even for yourself is the same. You owe a lot to your mother too, right?
Of course.
Yeah.
Of course. And Signa, I just got lucky because I had two set of parents. One was my biological parents, and the other were my foster
raised-
parents who raised me.
Yeah.
And
It's
I
like
yeah.
Krishna's story.
Yeah, and I just lost my mom a few
Really sorry
weeks
to
ago.
hear
Yeah,
that. Okay.
my foster mom.
Oh, yeah. And I'm sure she had a lot, behind who you are today.
Yeah, of course, because that was my first home, my first
When you say
word that
foster,
I
that's-
uttered, the first step that I took.
Everything
She was home.
She was lovely. So beautiful. God bless her soul too. Coming to now being a mother. So you already said that you were single parenting from the time you remember or probably want to forget or whatever. Now the kids, how small were they then though? Like very tiny? Were they toddlers or like were they started schooling? How was it?
I think from the time they were very, very tiny also, they were more inclined towards me.
Okay.
I think because of the love and the
Yeah,
care.
the
They were more
warmth that
inclined.
you had
Warmth.
given, the warmth
They were
that you
very,
had.
very clingy to
Close.
me more. Yeah.
I hope they know what is the difference between being close and clingy. So of course the world knows you as who you are now. Of course, it was a self-discovery that we are going to be talking about in a short bit from now. But raising two children who became stars and celebrities in their own rights, right? Would you like to talk about them with their names and tell us how and when did you realize their strength that yes, they could be someone that they are today?
Well, I would be very, I would take the pride in taking their
Sure.
names. My daughter Kubra Seth and my son Danish Seth. They were very tiny, and I used to be, come back from work, and I used to be in my kitchen, and I just wanted to keep them occupied.
All the time,
Not
yeah.
let them feel like they're left out,
Yeah.
Wanted to spend time
Yeah.
with them. So what I would do, I put them on the dining table
Wow.
and ask them to recite something.
Okay.
Maybe a poetry, maybe maybe just speak
Or
something.
just read out a
Just-
story or
just say something.
Okay.
And I'm the audience.
Ah.
I would sit there and I would be sitting and, chopping my veggies.
Uh-huh.
And they are supposed to stand on the dining table and deliver what they are saying.
Lovely.
And then I would clap for them.
wow.
Loudest clap.
Yeah.
And even now they say, Mama is our critic. And even while I was managing them,
Yes.
for-
Yeah. You
for
were
almost,
known
close
as
to a
a
decade.
momager.
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 Momager. Yeah. The title was given to me by Kubra.
Wow.
And I used to tell them that I used to tell them, no, don't. Whether it's good or bad, I used to. And they would always feel that,
They would
that
actually-
assurance they would
Yeah.
love.
They would
because
look
they'd
up
say,
to you,
Mom
yes. They would look up
Mom
to
is the
you.
greatest critic.
Absolutely.
She will, if we are not right, she will say no.
Yeah.
It's
It's
not
not
good.
just to
not good.
please them.
Like Kubra always makes a joke and says that my singing career went sinking because of my mother.
Oh, because you told her that you
Because
don't sing.
she wanted to go for Indian Idol.
Okay.
And I said no.
Why was that? Why did you feel?
I
just
want to
felt-
go. I want to go and sing. And I said, you can't sing, you can't go.
You felt that.
I felt that she can't sing.
Okay. Okay.
But on the other hand, Danish is a good singer.
All right, but he didn't make it to the Indian Idol.
He did- he did.
made it to
Oh,
another
no,
level.
He did. He sung the song in his own movie, right?
That being said,
The Kannada song.
the Kannada song.
Yeah.
Oh, he sang it himself.
Yes, and the lyrics were also written by him.
Yeah. While on radio, I still remember, when we used to be together, bumping into each other. This is a fraternity that we
Yeah,
all have shared
yeah.
the platforms, and that's how even I knew Dan. So I used to, hear him sometimes hum, okay? And I used to wonder, is
he's
it
a
like
good singer.
he's a good singer, yeah?
He's got it from his paternal side.
Yeah, yeah, that's good. Okay, so Kubra is totally into films, and she's completely taken that as her career. And she is a beautiful girl and a beautiful soul, just like the mother. I feel both the children are blessed to have you as their, वो छत्र छाया में बोलते हैं ना कि, sometimes it's very difficult to get a blessing of the sort के आपने जो कुछ भी करना चाहा, you never felt they looked up at you because they knew you are their not just the guide and mentor, but somebody that they can just feel free to reach out to whenever they wanted in life, whether at that time or today, right? And on that note, I have a surprise for you, Yas.
Oh, really?
Yes. Because when you speak about your children so much, you think I will not hear what they have to say for you.
Oh my God.
Yes. So that's a surprise for you that I'm going to play. Okay.
Okay.
And take a listen to what they are saying. All right.
Yeah.
Wow! Hi, Mama! Okay, what can I say about my mom? I'm really excited for you today, Mama, because I think I am more than anything else proud of you. Because I just realized that you were just a little girl and you had me. And here I am struggling at 40 and still figuring things out. And just imagine the pressure, like you couldn't lift your foot off the pedal because you were not just raising us, you were raising our standards. So yeah, today when I speak about you, Mama, I speak about you in pride. And when you speak about us, you speak about us or me in blessings. And I guess that is the difference. There have been times when I have never understood you at all. Like I've not understood your strength. And honestly, it kind of felt like quiet, so almost like lackluster to me. But today I see the same strength has shaped my life. Because you know what? You actually never forced me to do anything, not to marry, not to have children. In fact, you actually showed up for me when I was wrong in the most gentle phases. Because when I was having hard buddhi is when you came gentle. And through every phase, through every change, you have been my sounding board. Every dream I've ever had, I've written it and upgraded and upscaled with you. And I've not done this with an expert. I've done this with a person who's curious. The thing that I never learned from you was patience, especially when probably you were the showrunner of my life. But today, I see it. It's like the most basic. And Mom, thanks. I'm learning from it. And Mama, you have been my anchor. You have been the foil that has held me, especially when I figured out how to hold myself. You're my greatest cheerleader. You signed Sacred Games contract, bro. The funny thing is, you gave me wings, somehow with conditions applied. So, yeah, today I see you, not just as my mother, but as a woman. I see you as a beautiful, feminine, powerful woman. And I forgive you, Ma, for whatever you didn't know. And I also honor you for everything you did. Because I guess somewhere deep down inside, you always knew. Congratulations on your podcast. And happy Mother's Day, Mom. I love you.
It's Mother's Day, and I want to wish my mum Yasmin a very happy Mother's Day. Thank you, Mama, for being such an influential part of my life. You were my first manager, and I learned how to navigate the professional world with you. And I think over and above that, the human being that I am today, I must credit you for that. Thank you for making me the person that I am, and I strive to do better and make you proud. Thank you. Happy Mother's Day again, not just to you, but also to all the mums who are watching this podcast. Have a good one.
So yes, tell me, how was it? How was the surprise, first of all? I know you would have not expected, but hearing what you heard, how did you feel?
Emotional.
Very emotional. I
Very
can see that.
emotional. Yeah.
I can see that.
Yeah.
And I think that's very, very palpable because for a mother who's gone through so much in her life, raising such amazing children, it's a moment of pride for you, yes. And I believe
You know, Snigdha, many people tell me that, you must be a proud mother. And I say, no, I'm blessed. So sometimes, there have been times when they have got pissed off for something, and they will say, why do you always keep saying you're blessed, you're blessed? Can't you say you're proud for once? So I tell them that, no, I'm blessed. Because 2 children doing so well for themselves
Absolutely.
and hardworking.
Yep. You want to.
I
Okay.
feel so good about it. And of course, now in so many years, now I can actually say I'm proud of them because they're managing everything on their
all
own.
all by themselves. Yeah.
I'm the mother now. I'm not the mom
Lovely.
major now.
You're not a mom major
Yes.
anymore, but in the heart of heart, they will always remember those days, that time, that phase of life where they needed someone who they could bank upon. You know,
Yes.
having each other's back,
Back,
I
yeah.
think is like, that is incredible what you did. So,
Yes.
I mean, I have seen you in that phase, by the way.
Yeah.
So yeah, of course before and after, but I've seen you through that phase as well,
Yeah.
and I really feel the way you handled, you managed as much as you could in your own capacity. Yes, you did a wonderful job. So see the kind of roles you played. You know, not just a mother, it is beyond motherhood. That's exactly what I was saying. That a lot of people feel being a mother, it just, your life ends there. You're a mother, you have to mother the children, you have to bring them up, and that's your responsibility, and that's all you need to do.
I just like that proud so well. I don't know who's written it, but they say a mother is not a biological, but it's an attitude.
Yep. Totally. Yeah. It's in the
because
state of
when
mind.
when you look at the old Hindi film
Yeah.
mothers,
Oh.
the Mother India and
wo
Niruparai,
kya?
always crying.
Crying, huh?
I mean, you can't make a life like
Like
that.
that,
You know?
absolutely.
You have to be a forget about a role model. You have to show your resilience.
Yes, that's
you
what
have
it's
to
the
show
story
your
was your
proactiveness.
strength. Yes.
You have to show your strength.
Yeah, that
That's how the
indomitable spirit.
spirit.
That a mother
That's
can
how
have.
the children will learn from you.
Yes, and I so agree.
Do
with
or
you.
die. That needs to
Absolutely.
be there.
Yes, yes, yeah. That attitude needs to be there. Do or die, because there's so much beyond just giving birth to them and
Yeah.
being acha beta khana kha lo, acha beta tumne ye kiya ki nahi. I mean, those
There's
days
much
are
more than
gone.
that. Much more than
beyond.
that.
Yeah.
Of
Of course, that's a
course-
part of the responsibility
Yes.
that every mother
And of course,
probably
I
does.
always feel very grateful and thankful for being born a little earlier ahead, because my children are grown up now and I don't have to worry. But
Hannah?
today's parents, of course, they have a lot of responsibility and a lot of challenges. But I think,
But with the changing times, have you noticed something, Yas, that it's no more about the woman being the mother? That's what I love about nowadays. आज के generation में आप देखो, father takes equal responsibility.
yeah.
That's something I love.
I
mean,
love.
okay, biologically माँ ने जन्म दिया, लेकिन अगर एक father उसके लिए सब कुछ कर रहा है, then what less is he as a mother?
Yeah,
right?
because every human being has the feminine and the masculine,
side.
But
So-
what happens is, back in the days,
patriarchal. So much
patriarchal, so they
patriarchal.
had to be,
कि वो-
father is a father.
वो डेलीगेट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी
हाँ.
तुम सब्जी खरीदने जाओगे, ये खाना बनाएगी, तुम बच्चों को स्कूल छोड़ने जाओगे, ये होमवर्क कराएगी, ये खाना बनाएगी, तुम ये करोगे. But now
Now it's not like
everyone
that.
does
I like
everything.
That. I like that.
That's what I meant.
But there are
I love
also a lot of
this.
challenges for the
course,
parents.
it is, but-
I mean, there's so much. We never grew up our children with cameras
yeah.
focusing and nothing. But today it is a must.
Yeah, it
because
is.
you should know what's happening.
happening.
Right?
हाँ. अब वो see, with times, with technology, with so much development happening around us, I think we also be in tandem with the growth. If we are not, then we are again behind
Yeah,
somewhere. And
yeah.
I think, I don't know, I'm extremely lucky to be in the middle. मैंने वो वाला OG वाले ज़माना भी देखा. OG. नहीं, मैं नहीं बोलूँगी old guys. OG and the Gen Z.
Gen
I have
Z.
seen both, and
Yeah.
I've been dealing with them because of my work, and I think, yes, I see a stark difference. ठीक है? But I
And
think
there's an Alpha Z, is it?
no, that's Gen Alpha, Generation Alpha.
Generation Alpha.
Alpha. वो तो
So that's
बिल्कुल-
my grandson.
हाँ, that's what I said. वो तो बिल्कुल अभी तो आपके grandson क्या वो टाइम आया है अभी. So yeah, but I think Gen Z तक are the ones we are dealing with. Now they are in work everywhere. But you see, उनका बहुत अलग होता है. See, they are again, they have not seen what we have seen or
No.
what even a millennial has seen. So for them it's difficult. They're just trying to cope up with the time. But for them that is their time.
Yeah.
So हर generation को किसी के साथ जेल करने में तो प्रॉब्लम होती ही
Problem
है.
होती
But
है.
I think at the end of the day, you will see a lot of positive aspects in Gen Z, which we didn't have in our days or even the baby boomer time, is that this, you know, the relegated, आप ये करते हो, आप वही करते हो, Gen Z में ये सब नहीं है. And the things that they talk about, there's
they're
no
very smart.
topic
They're very
that
smart.
they don't have to be
Yeah.
like under the quotes. नहीं ये अब यहाँ नहीं बात कर सकते, वहाँ जाके बात करना है. No, they're so open about it.
Yeah, yeah.
And the whole family sits together and watches everything. वो जमाना कहाँ, ये ad आ रहा है तो कोई अंदर छुप गया.
अरे.
You remember? I'm sure you would remember.
दो
more.
फूल.
दो फूल आ रहे हैं तो उनको पता हो रहा है कुछ हो रहा है.
और वो फूल
Everything
के-
is that. और वो पानी में से पैर
हाँ, हाँ.
पेड़ ऐसे आया तो something is happening. So it's
Happening.
all very suggestive.
Suggestive.
And everything is very imaginative.
Imaginative.
But abhi, they just speak. Everything is right there.
That's
open.
true. That's
but
true.
I appreciate the fact that with the times that are changing, boys and men, of course, we
Are
had
also changing.
changing, and
That's
they
very-
have a lot of respect
that's very
for
good,
yeah.
yes.
And now it's no more about the marriage being an institution that people look forward to. It's okay if you're together, maybe you're living in, but if you're taking the responsibility, you don't really have to look at everything being a mother or a father. You can bring up a child even if you're not biologically their parent, right? You can adopt, you can actually give a life to a newborn who doesn't have or who hasn't seen the.
Seen.
So I think there's beauty in everything
Yeah,
that we
and
see
also
around.
the families are open for
Families
that.
are
So,
very open
so
for
it's
it,
good.
yeah.
It's good.
I've had some amazing guests before in the podcast, where I had a beautiful, amazing gay couple. I don't know if you watched that, you should.
Yes, I
The
did
way
watch
that.
that.
You watched
Yeah,
that,
yeah, I
right?
watched.
So they had a twin through surrogacy. And imagine, they said, we don't know who's Papa, who's Mama. And how beautiful is that?
That's true.
And
That's
this is
lovely.
something which touches my heart when I actually see the times changing and how things are moving. Coming back to you, Yas, so of course, I mean, I kind of knew a little bit of more about you. I didn't know about your job part, like you had worked in before having the. I knew about the supermarket part, but I didn't know about your work part.
Oh, you didn't know about my
I didn't
corporate
know-
job?
No, I did not know about it. All I knew is like you had your supermarket and that's what you were handling, and this is why we get
I
to
also
know each
worked
other.
in a hospitality industry for quite a short
period.
time,
Lovely.
about 2 years.
Wow, lovely. Okay, so I know what you're doing now, which absolutely is the most heartwarming thing. When I heard from you the first time when you were moving from Bangalore to Mysore, I didn't know that was your calling, to be very honest. Now let's talk about that. When I said self-discovery, I said it's a story of self-discovery beyond the strength, resilience, and motherhood. When was that moment? This has to be special because I'm sure, yes, everyone who follows their calling, like for example, my podcast channel, it happened after 18 years of being into communication. But what was that spark? What was that moment? What pushed me there and what made me think, okay, let's follow this, chase my dream and make this happen? I'm sure for you also would have been somewhere, even if it's at the back of your head, when did you move into the geriatric care and how did this happen?
So in 2020, during the COVID time, you know how life was, right? We were all stuck in
Very
our homes.
volatile, very, very volatile.
And I used to make this video calls
Okay.
and take everyone on the call.
When you say everyone, who are you
Uh,
talking about?
My mom, her
You're talking about family,
sisters.
basically,
Yeah.
or
My mom,
Okay,
her
yeah.
sisters, and also some people in the, I made a little community and I used to think all they need to do is answer the call.
Okay.
So I used to tell them what to do and be on the call.
Right.
And then you have to keep telling them to adjust the phone. You can see the nostrils, or you can see only the hair.
Yeah, because they don't know
ceiling,
exactly where
fan,
it's. Huh.
all this.
Huh.
So I used to do this.
Okay.
And then I realized at 16, most people try doing something different.
Yeah.
Though they are always scared of the family, they hide, they do it.
Yep.
But at 60, we want to do something, we can't even hide. We can't
Yeah.
even do it.
Right.
Because we are so scared of the society, of your children,
Yeah.
family.
Right.
Because now you know what is wrong and what is right.
Yeah, you kind of have a sense
At
of
16, you don't have
No,
that.
you just
but
make
at
mistakes and you learn from
yeah,
your mistakes.
At 60, you have that.
Right.
So, and nobody tells you what it is to age.
Yep.
And what is aging after
Yeah,
all?
well,
Aging is nothing.
I mean, it's a natural
Why a
process, which I
9-year-old
think-
grows and a 60-year-old becomes old.
Yeah.
It's,
Yeah.
I mean,
That's it.
I couldn't understand that.
Yeah.
So I had so much time to myself. And by this time, I had also stepped down from supporting the
yes,
children's
yeah.
work. And I was on my own.
Yeah.
So I had a lot of time. And I was constantly thinking that nobody tells you about these things. And that's when I thought I should do something. And then I said, how? Because we live in a world where they need a testimony
Yep.
for everything.
Oh my goodness,
right?
tell me about it. Yeah.
So I said, what do I do? And after thinking a lot, I put together and I authored a book called Manan.
And
Yeah.
I hosted it.
Yes, and you
And I was
hosted
so
it. Yes, you know
proud
about
of you
it.
at that time.
So
yes.
I got this book out. I said, now this is my platform. I created a platform. And then I also went on to taking a diploma in counseling, so that I said, at least let me understand. Because I have been that person throughout my retail days also,
yeah.
mentoring.
Yeah.
And my mentoring role model was Mr. Krishan,
Okay.
my boss.
All right. The first boss that
First
you're talking
boss,
about?
yeah.
Oh, wow.
So I
Okay.
saw how Sir held my hand,
Yeah.
and always, though I was working, I
Yeah.
mean, he didn't have to teach me something.
Yeah.
He could have just said, do it or get out.
Yeah.
But no, he invested his time in me
Yeah.
so that I could learn things
Right.
and work.
Yeah.
And that kindness,
Huh.
I decided that anybody comes my way,
Yeah.
I will help them with that. So I keep doing it even today, whether it's a domestic help, whether it is someone. I keep trying to help people to understand their life better.
Yeah.
You know?
Probably you become a medium for them to introspect.
Yeah,
Right? Sometimes
yeah.
what happens is, okay, maybe I know my strength, I know what I'm good at. But like I
You
said,
don't realize.
like I said,
Yeah.
this podcast, actually, the whole thing came from my daughter.
Yeah.
She was the one who gave me, said, Mama, do you even know what potential you have in this? I looked at her, I said, podcast me? Why not? You're cut out for it. Have you thought of it? So the fear of not really going forward and doing something on your own, sometimes you really need that push.
Yeah.
And then this is so heartwarming to know that you still remember what your boss did for you.
Yeah.
I hope he's, listening to you and will be
I will
super
share this
proud.
podcast
you
with him.
Must, You
Yes.
must. With
And-
all those who have been a part of your
And
journey as...
recently, after I moved to Mysore,
Yeah.
Sir came all the way from Delhi to Mysore to see me.
Are you kidding me?
He came to see me. He said, I just wanted to come and see whether you're comfortable here.
Wow. This is amazing.
He's such a father figure
oh
to
my
me.
God, he's such
My
a
God.
fantastic human being, I would say, at the end of the
He
day.
came all the way to Mysore, met me, and he said, I'm very content now. I'm
Yes,
happy.
yeah.
I'll go back.
See,
Anyway.
wow.
So this is how things were. And I said that, I should at least find some right tools.
Yeah.
So that's why I did this diploma in counseling.
Okay, yeah.
And my mentor was Dr. Ali Khwaja there,
Okay.
and Banjara Academy. And I got to learn a lot of things that I didn't know about life. And I got to see the side of life which I'd never seen. I worked with kids with autism. I worked with Nightingale, where Alzheimer patients,
Yes,
Alzheimer and
that's
dementia
so
patients.
hard.
I worked with destitutes. I worked with so many different stratas of the community where, we unless we interact and see,
would not
we would
understand.
not know, because every family will not have
Yep,
somebody
absolutely,
like that, right?
absolutely, yes.
So we don't know, and that
Yeah.
exposure is not given. You know,
You have to take
when I got that exposure, I felt so thing. I used to work with even people with disability,
Yeah.
APD. I used to go there as
Yes,
well,
yeah.
and it was a great experience for me, and working through everything. What stayed with me is when I interacted with a doctor from Nimhans, Dr. Sojan.
Okay.
He is very passionate about working for elderly.
That's where your geriatric care
That
came
thing
in.
like hit on me. I said, that is where I want to
Okay, so
be.
that's when you felt. Oh, so that was the calling that you felt after interacting
No,
with
but
the
I
doctor.
was,
But you
yeah,
always probably had at the back of your
but
mind.
when I was going through everything, when I said, this
This
is
what
the
you-
topic that I want to
Oh, okay.
work on.
So you've done, okay, so let me just put this in a nutshell. So you worked with various fields of, differently enabled people. But after that, when you kind of had to choose one field, this is where your
This is
heart
where, yeah,
went
Yeah.
by on its own.
went by on its own.
Okay.
And also I realized after working with
And when was this exactly?
2021.
21, after the COVID,
after the COVID.
hit.
And also working with patients with dementia and Alzheimer's, I realized that what's the point? You reach a stage where forget about I don't know you.
Yeah.
I don't know who I am.
Yeah, imagine. Now how painful
So
that can
that
be.
is so painful.
That is
And
very
just
painful.
imagine the families.
I mean, I can't even think.
They just ask their children, who are you?
I can't even
They can't,
imagine this.
so painful.
It's so painful.
I have seen caregivers who take care of their parents in and day out.
And then,
And then they say, who are you?
why? But then it's
They don't
it's-
know what to.
how to respond to the
How to
whole
respond.
thing. Yeah, because and it is such a natural and it progresses. So did you found it? You are the founder.
Yeah, I'm the
And
founder
what's the
of
name of your
Sunset Finishing School.
what's it called? Sunset.
Sunset Finishing
Wow,
School.
Sunset
So
Finishing School.
I love watching sunsets.
Wow.
So, I like the beauty when it's going down.
Yeah.
But then when you wake up, you have the sun back again bounced, See,
Beautiful.
it doesn't take too long.
Yeah,
It just,
actually, right?
and it
and it
bounces
co-
back. So that was the thing for me. And I called my
Organization, the
organization
Sunset
called
Finishing
Sunset
School.
Finishing School.
And this is in Mysore.
No, it's
Or
a
how is it?
virtual.
Virtual? Wow.
Virtual.
Okay.
And I do work with different communities.
Okay.
I take sessions for them,
Okay.
topic-based sessions and things.
Lovely.
So slowly, to get the mindset changed, because if somebody who's 60 or even 70 is attending my session,
Yeah.
I'm not going to be preachy to them.
Absolutely.
I can't
They've seen
do
enough
that.
life. You
They've
just been
seen
there.
So I just speak to them
Yeah.
the way it can touch their heart.
Yeah. Sometimes all we need is a companion, no, yeah? Somebody
Very
who we
true.
can speak with.
Yeah, because you know what
share
happens.
my story with.
Have you
Yeah.
heard this thing that people say, I told you so many times?
Oh my goodness.
Because sometimes telling so many times
times.
is the most worst
is,
thing
is,
to
is
do.
the worst thing to do. Yeah.
do. But one little voice
Yeah.
comes and then they have a reflection.
Yes.
They will do it on their own.
Yeah.
They'll change on their own.
Yeah.
I have seen many lives change like that.
Wow.
And it's
Beautiful.
so beautiful.
Yeah, I'm sure.
So
Because,
beautiful.
I think you're at a very beautiful spot
One of the
your
sessions, there was this guy who told me that there was one man, there were 3-4 men attending. So I told them, I'm very sorry, I've written a book on women and I usually talk to women. Now that you're there, I'm not going to leave you. I'll include you as well.
Yeah.
So I included them. And there was this one lady who said, I have everything, but I'm very insecure.
life. Yeah. Lonely, insecure.
Just insecure.
Okay.
And I don't know what reflection came to him.
Huh.
A couple of sessions later, he tells me that I want to thank you. I said, for what? He said, you remember that session when she said, I'm in
Huh.
sick? I transferred the home that we are staying in my wife's name. I wanted her to feel empowered.
Wow. And that one statement shifted his thought process?
Thought process. He said, everything is there.
Incredible.
Everything is there.
Yeah.
I mean, she's my wife. Whatever's there is hers.
Hers.
But I wanted that one thing to be in her name.
So that she feels secure.
She feels secure.
Yeah, right.
So it's not, again, it's not about the material.
Absolutely.
It's
a
about the
thought. That's what I
thought.
said, the thought process.
Thought.
Yeah. How you think about a thing this way, that how much you care about a person.
Person.
Yeah. Yeah. That love, that care, that warmth,
Yeah.
that compassion, that support, that encouragement, that respect is all that you look forward
And
to
then
from
there was
someone.
like somebody comes and says, I don't go for walks because my children get angry.
Okay.
So why do they get angry?
Yeah, yeah,
You should
right.
go.
Yeah.
So, no, I had a fall. How? I had a phone in my hand.
Oh.
So put
okay.
your phone in your pocket. Look
Right.
around,
Yeah.
walk. You know, you remember
Yeah.
we used to tell children,
Yep.
"Niche dekh ke
Niche dekh ke
chalo."
chalo, हाँ.
So do that. And then he started walking. He used to come and say that, आज मैंने 20 मिनट का वॉक किया, आज
Lovely.
1 घंटे का वॉक किया, तक पहुंचा वो.
Oh, that's wonderful.
So that
See,
is so nice.
All you need to do is
Yeah.
talk
Of
to
course,
them.
children will worry about you.
नहीं, that is of course.
Because you know, roles reverse at a certain time.
आप बच्चे बन जाते हो ना.
हाँ.
आप बच्चों को आपने जो किया, बच्चे आपको फिर वही करेंगे जो आपने
जैसे
बच्चों
हम
के लिए.
बच्चों
हम
को
कराएं,
बोलते रहते हैं.
वही हम
हाँ.
बाद में वही
Of
बोलेंगे
course.
हमको भी.
And they have, what do? They just show us
actually
their,
there's a concern and love.
yeah.
The thing is how
And also
this
they
tone-
show us how responsible they are
They are.
becoming. Then we stop telling them.
Yeah.
So we also, I think,
Ha-
should take up some responsibility so
and
they
do it.
less
they
worry
do
about
it
us.
little lesser
Yeah,
than what
yeah.
they are. Yeah. And you're so right, because I think this role reversal is all about understanding the life cycle.
Yeah.
Those who understand deal with life a little better, cope up with it a little better.
Little better.
Yeah, tad
Yes,
bit better,
yes.
tad bit better.
Because you know, today, lives are not very easy.
No, it is not.
Children are actually doing more than what we did.
Right.
I feel, you
No,
know.
even I feel
Though
so,
there is
yeah.
so much support staff,
Yeah.
I think, you know, you have apps where you can order stuff, you
Yeah.
can get things done
Yeah.
through, you
In
know, your
just
apps.
No time.
Just a fingertip,
That's
you can
it.
get it done.
A snap
But
of a finger, they're there too.
इतना
Yeah.
होने के बावजूद,
है ना कितने?
आजकल, you know, the children's lives are very challenging.
They are challenging.
They're
It is,
challenging.
yeah, they have so many things hovering around the head.
Yeah.
And more responsibility.
Yeah.
And yeah, with the changing times, they just come. वो बोलते हैं
Yeah.
ना, buy one get one free. अब आपको हमने technology दी है,
हमको
तो
बस-
साथ में हम
हमको बस
challenges भी दे रहे
yeah,
हैं.
हमको बस इतना करना है कि we do our things
हाँ.
and make them feel comfortable कि
हाँ.
don't worry about me, I'm doing well,
Right.
and if I need, I'm going to call you. You're my
हाँ.
first speed dial.
Exactly.
That's it.
Yeah. That's what I said. Having each other's back. You know, till the last whatever time has given us, you know, वो बहुत ज़रूरी है to understand each other and all that.
And also
हाँ.
we come from a time we can keep saying हमने ये नहीं देखा, हमने वो नहीं. हम टाइपराइटर के ज़माने से palm top के ऊपर आ गए.
है ना?
Huh? You don't even need a laptop. You can just do everything here. AI.
Yeah, true. It's like how we talk about. I'm sure मेरे साथ में जो रेडियो में रहे हैं वो बोलेंगे how we saw the of course वो स्पूल का इतना देखा नहीं, because by the time we came in वो कैसेट and then CD, okay, CD से कंप्यूटर, and अभी तो सब कुछ you don't have to fix anything, it's automated. So
Yeah.
imagine कि कितने changes हम ही ने देख लिए यार
Changes.
15 साल में.
Exactly.
So everything changes, right? But it's good to see the
Good to
progress
see.
away, yeah.
I mean, you have to enjoy.
Remember the erstwhile world space? वहाँ से मैंने रेडियो, मतलब लोग बोलते थे वो वाला उसमें हो जहाँ पे
Look
वो
at
डब्बा.
me now. You said OG. I was feeling a little thing to ask you what it is.
हाँ. And then you thought old
I
guys.
made it in my old guys because she's had everyone little
Like just imagine.
old Bangalorean,
हाँ.
so I'm old guys. I didn't even realize how can I be an old guy. Okay, whatever. So then you were going on saying BTS.
Oh yeah.
I thought it was backtrack shots, and then I googled That
Also,
is
you
behind
knew
behind the scenes.
Yes. Backtrack shots, not a bad one.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
चेंज कर दे नाम ये तो
हाँ, ये
backtrack shots
पॉडकास्ट
क्या?
में मैंने 2 चीज सीख ली.
दो चीज सीखी ना.
देखो.
आई फील सो गुड. कुछ तो मैंने आपको सिखाया. सोचो मैं हर चीज आपसे सीख रही हूँ.
अरे यार,
इतना मैंने इतना सा कंट्रीब्यूशन है मेरा. ओजी सिखाया, BTS सिखाया. And our BTS is amazing. Okay, so of course, see these are the things how we learn, नहीं? Generation wise हम लोग सीखते हैं. अब बच्चों से हम सीख रहे हैं. There are so many things that I learned from
So
them at
much.
times. यार ये editing तो मैंने completely Gen Z
Sometimes
से
क्या
सीखी
होता
है.
है, you know, that's why I call myself, I'm a graduate from the school of life.
है ना? I think वही एक अभी हमको करना चाहिए. Let's think about doing something like that, यार.
Yeah.
हाँ? Why not have a school of life? जहाँ पे लाइफ को ही सिखाओ. भाई लाइफ आपको देती क्या है? As from the time you're born
Born.
till the time you breathe your last. And imagine
You
so
keep
much.
learning.
You keep
I-
learning. Every single day.
I
you're
have
learning.
never been qualified to do all the jobs that I did. And you definitely, today it is like you keep studying. I see people studying, but I think I've enjoyed my life because I learned everything
the
on
most
the go
important
and
thing,
started
yes.
putting it into practice.
Yeah, that
I
is
loved
important
it.
again.
I loved it.
Learn कर लिया. Are you implementing? भाई सीख लिया पर कुछ कर नहीं रहे हो. That's
SOPs लिखे बैठ के.
अब SOP तो पता है आपको.
हाँ, standard operating procedures.
वाह.
हाँ.
Yes.
SOPs लिखे तो SOPs में I used to Google and see best practices in Walmart and things.
Right. Oh, okay. That's how you kind of implemented those in your business.
Yeah. I used to put everything. I
See,
made
R&D
all
always
docu-
helps. Huh?
R&D always
चाहे
helps.
आप कुछ भी करो ना लाइफ में, R&D really helps. Those who really do that, I think research and understanding how each thing works. For that matter, कुछ भी कर रहे हो आप लाइफ में, I think that is a big help. And
Big
one
help.
should be open to learning.
Open
ना?
to learning.
अब वो भी एक है कि किसी को अगर ईगो आ गया, मेरे को तो सब पता है. हम तो OG हैं, हमें कुछ नहीं
हाँ.
सीखना.
फिर ओ जी लो जी चलो जी.
चलो जी मार्केट खुला जी जाओ.
No, I think we should be open to learning because
Yeah.
learning is something which will never end.
Never ends. It
Never
never ends.
ends.
I think it's till you breathe the last. You keep learning
Till
because
you breathe the
I
last.
think every new day is a new day.
New day.
So when you wake up, you don't know what the whole day has in store for you, what holds it, what it has instead. In fact, sometimes I wake up with the fact कि आज मुझे क्या नया सीखने को मिलेगा. You
Yeah.
never know, you know. कभी-कभी हम लोग चलते-चलते भी सीखते हैं कुछ चीजें. Right, we're just walking and we see something, we learn. We say, "Arey yaar, this is possible, can be done. Why not implement it and learn good things?" And I always see if you don't like something, नहीं पसंद आ रहा है, ignore करो. Ignorance is sometimes bliss only when you know कि it may not be suitable for you.
Very
But
true.
just sitting and judging
Very true.
कि ये गलत है, वो सही है.
सीखने के लिए आप छोटे बच्चे से
से
भी
भी
सीखते
सीखना
हो,
चाहिए और
बड़े से
बड़े
भी
से भी
सीख
सीखते
सकते
हो,
हो.
yeah.
सीखने में
Yeah.
only thing is ego should be missing from inside.
Absolutely, that's what I said. Ego रख के रखोगे तो आप कुछ
I
नहीं
know it
सीखोगे.
all will not take you
Never.
anywhere. Never.
Not even in
Never.
your own task.
Yeah.
Forget about in the world कि
World.
क्या करने जा रहे हो आप अगर बड़ा business
Very
करो.
true.
अपने लिए ही नहीं work करता है यार.
Very
It doesn't
true.
work. So my goodness, this conversation was so so beautiful in the sense it was heart to heart because as I said, even today I learned so much from you, and I'm sure
Thank you
there
so
are
much.
audience, there are not just women, as I always say, men, women, children. Anybody who's watching us today, I'm sure they would have also learned so much from you, inspired, and you are an inspiration. ठीक है, ये तो मैं आपको शुरू से जब से मैं मिली हूँ आपसे मैं ये बोलती हूँ, yes, you are an inspiration so much, and you've seen me through every phase of my life
Of
too,
course.
and that's why
You're also a very strong woman.
honored.
Don't
but,
forget.
We need to be strong, I guess, where we come from. It's never been an easy journey. And I also believe in the same fact that you said, those who are strong, people who see you as a strong person, whether it's a woman or a man or whoever, gender bilkul bhi side mein rakh ke, I think they are the ones who've seen a lot of hidden undercurrents. They have it. That's why they are who they are today. If you see somebody very resilient, very strong, I always go up to learn something from them without asking, why are you so strong? What's your story? I know कि कुछ है. बिकॉज कोई ऐसे ही यूं ही कोई इतना स्ट्रांग नहीं हो जाता
स्ट्रांग नहीं होता
Yes,
नहीं, मगर लेट
जब-
मी टेल
हाँ,
यू वन मोर
छप्पड़ फाड़ के देगा life।
मैं एक टाइम पे मैं सोच रही थी कि बीइंग स्ट्रांग इज गुड,
या
it's not bad, it's good, but you need to know where to be strong
दैट इज
and where not to be strong.
Yeah.
You can't be strong with everybody,
एंड एवरीवेयर
everybody and everywhere. And also the thing is, I also used to beat myself in a way कि I should know everything.
हाँ हाँ वो एक होता है
हर
मुझे तो
चीज, I should
आना
know
चाहिए,
everything.
आना चाहिए, मुझे क्यों नहीं
हाँ.
आता ये, आई शुड नो।
And I had become like a Google to my children also. Mama, ये क्या? I know. I have to tell them. After a point, I thought, nahi, I don't know. Today,
Yeah.
when they ask me something, I don't know.
It's
Can we learn together?
what an amazing thing, what an amazing
Yeah.
fact that is। यार सब जानना,
Some
सब
things तो
करना।
मैं बैठ के देखती हूँ, सीखती हूँ,
Which is good.
सुनती हूँ उनको.
And I think that learning remains,
Remains.
है ना? Because
Yeah.
you एक मैंने जब मैं स्कूल में थी ना तो मेरे एक प्रोफेसर थे, you know what he used to say, कि जो आप लिखते हो, so you learn something while you're writing, okay? एक सीखना ये हुआ, another way of learning is आप देखते हो, ठीक है? Third way of learning is experience it,
Experience it.
है ना? So ये अगर 3 phases of learning if you've done, I love to write, yes, I love to write. पता है, with all my due respect to the technology, but सच में chat GPT, AI जो भी बोलो, पता नहीं क्यों I am not able to, I always have to write myself. I love to write. Whereas it's good कि कोई हेल्प मिल रहा है लोगों को, बट मुझे लगता है कि मेरे दिल से जो बात आ रही है या मैं लिखूंगी वो शायद नहीं। सो वो लिखना, देखना, एक्सपीरियंस करना, इट्स अ कंप्लीट फेज ऑफ लर्निंग। एंड आई थिंक हम लोगों ने ना जिस जनरेशन से हम लोग आए हैं, एंड वी हैव गॉन थ्रू ऑल ऑफ इट,
All of it we have
ऑल
gone
ऑफ इट। हाँ, कहाँ वो था बैठ के कुछ रेडीमेड, कहाँ मिला, सब लिखा। मेरे पास अभी भी एक बुक है विच आई रिटन, यू नो, आई मीन नॉट अ बुक बट अ बुक ऑफ पोएट्रीज, एंड आई एम थिंकिंग लाइक यू, समडे आई विल पब्लिश इट। और मैं
You publish it, I attend it, but I can't host it for you.
बट आई वुड लव फॉर यू टू होस्ट इट।
Be present there. You. I'll open the cover for you.
बहुत है ना मेरे लिए, वो ब्लेसिंग ही बहुत है। बट या आई वाज थिंकिंग व्हाई नॉट, है ना, इतना लिख के
Yeah,
क्या
करो
करेंगे,
ना,
बट करेंगे,
करो।
जरूर करेंगे। दैट्स
करो।
आल्सो गिविंग मी दैट पुश, आई एम इंस्पायर्ड कि आपने इतने यू नो, व्हेन पीपल थिंक कि अब ये क्या ही कर लेगी, एंड यू डिड सो मच। या पीपल इमेजिन, मेरे को तो पता नहीं ये एज चीज की फैक्टर कुछ समझ में नहीं आती है। द होल थिंग इज माइंडसेट, राइट? इफ यू थिंक यू आर ओल्ड, यू आर गुड फॉर नथिंग, और इफ पीपल पुट इट इन एन अब्यूज, लाइक एन इमोशनल अब्यूज इन योर हेड कि यार तुम क्या ही कर लोगे, तुम लोग तो अभी ओल्ड हो गए हो, यू, दैट्स व्हेन पीपल स्टार्ट थिंकिंग दिस वे। I think instead of that, you got to fight with yourself and say, hey, I'm good for everything. I can do so much more. Life is so beautiful. And I think living it till the end.
What I think is, if you're good at something, you do that.
Yeah.
You don't try to become, after an age, don't try to become somebody else.
Don't fake your personality.
Don't fake your personality.
Yeah.
Hold your grace, hold your stand, and do what you're good at it.
Absolutely.
Just be the way you are.
Bus.
And you're not attracting anybody to look towards you.
Yeah.
You're just being there.
You're just being there. Yeah.
And nobody touches you after
Yeah,
that.
right.
But only when you try to, अब करो तो कुछ ज्यादा ही कर देते हो तो वो भी ठीक नहीं है. But I think everybody,
Yeah.
that mindset, हम तो अभी बूढ़े हो गए,
I swear,
हमसे
I think
नहीं
that's
हो
a mindset.
पाएगा.
But that's a mindset.
needs to go.
That needs to change.
That
That
needs
needs
to
to
change.
change big time. I think all those people who I meet and people keep saying, यार इतना तुमने कर लिया, कैसे कर लिया? I feel तुम भी कर सकते हो. It's just your mindset. You just have
And
to
another
think
thing is, what you do, I can't do.
again comparison.
Supposing if I ask you, how did you do this? Tell me, I want to do
होगा,
it. नहीं होगा
कर
मेरे से.
सकोगे क्या? नहीं.
नहीं
But
होगा.
वो फायदा क्या पूछ
नहीं.
करके?
तो you can appreciate. You
Yeah.
have to appreciate. When you see something
There's
good,
nothing
you
in
need
life
to
which is
appreciate
one
it.
size fits all. है ना?
No, no, nothing.
बिल्कुल नहीं. आप जो कर रहे हो मैं नहीं कर सकती.
What is your personality?
Your strength.
Since you have grown up,
Yes.
what is your personality?
Experiences.
What's your strength?
Your
Experiences.
That makes you who
That
you
needs
are.
to go.
Yes.
Because I always try to speak my lived experiences.
Yeah, that's our life story. That's who
That's
we
it.
are.
That's who
And
I
I
am.
think वो life ही ने तो पछाड़ के सिखाया है हमको. आज हम जो हैं, what is it? We owe it first to our lives.
Of course.
And I तो like people say ना कि अरे यार ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए था. I'm actually thankful to what happened.
And
because
then another
regrets-
thing is people expect you to say that, oh, I went through so much pain. Oh.
Nah.
Because anything that happens
For a reason.
I don't know if I've told you this before. I compare it directly with the labor pain.
Yeah.
You know, the pain that you go, there's no other pain in the world that is
can even come
intense,
closer.
Right? And what happens the moment your baby comes and it's shown to you,
just forget.
you smile, you
and
forget.
you forget वो क्या था
था-
एक सेकंड पहले क्या था
क्या था.
Can
You
imagine?
forget. And you're so happy to see your baby.
Yeah.
So I just feel, I just treat everything like from point A to point B you go, you achieve. You've gone through all the hurdles, you achieve. Look at your achievement, forget all this, what
Right.
happened at the back.
Yeah.
And move on.
Absolutely.
Move
What a
on.
beautiful analogy that was.
That is exactly what I've been always, I think about.
Right.
You know?
Yeah.
Maybe not very early in life, but as time went,
Yeah.
little joys, you know,
Yeah.
little things
Yeah.
give you
Yeah.
joy.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right.
And I feel that we should always thank God for those small pleasures in life.
Small
कितनी
pleasures,
छोटी छोटी
definitely.
चीजें वो जो याद है हम लोगों ने वो ड्रमिंग के टाइम में वो क्या था वो स्मॉल प्लेजर ही है ना पेवमेंट के ऊपर जूते चप्पल निकाल करके डांस करना नो एज इफ द होल वर्ल्ड इज
आज आते आते गाड़ी से मैंने दिखाया, look at the left, this is MG Road Boulevard.
Boulevard.
We used to walk
We used
here,
to-
we used to
so
drum
dance
here,
here.
we used to drum here, we used to dance
है
here.
ना? Really? Yeah. So memories. What
Memories.
did we do at that evening? What did we do? Small pleasures in
हाँ.
life. कुछ समझ में ही नहीं आया
बातें
कि
भी कम
करा
किया,
क्या?
उतनी ड्रमिंग में बातें
कहाँ?
क्या करेंगे?
बातें नहीं कराना
नहीं.
हमने. We enjoyed that
Enjoyed.
moment. We were in the moment. अभी वो
And that's
चीज़ों
what
के-
is our bond, right?
Ah,
Right?
I love you
Those
for
little
it.
things
Those
that we
little
did
things,
together.
and that's why
Yeah.
we kind of understand each other.
Yeah.
Probably, I don't know. We don't even have to speak sometime to understand, right? We don't even say things like, "Yes, I hope you understand me." हमने कभी बोला ये सब? Never.
कई बार तो कितने कितने दिन बातें नहीं होती
कभी
है.
फिर भी we start. जैसे ही
जैसे
we connect. We don't
We
know.
connect.
We just don't
Yeah.
know. हमारे लिए
And I
distance is
think
never.
friendship is very, very important. If don't keep yourself lonely.
Yeah.
Make friends.
Yeah.
Come out of your house.
Yeah.
Meet
Yep.
people.
Yep.
You know, you should have at least one or two. You
you
can't have a lot. Whatever
See, वो
you,
बाकी जो है सब acquaintances हैं.
however socializing you are.
Yeah, that's why I said they are all acquaintances. But friends जो हैं fingertips पे
एक या
होने
दो
चाहिए.
होते हैं बस.
Fingertip पे होने चाहिए
हाँ,
बस.
जिसके साथ
You
आप
can come-
पूरा शेयर कर सकते हो.
Yeah.
मगर
And,
वो
and without
मिलने-
being judged, without being
You
opinionated.
need somebody. You can't bottle up everything.
Everyone.
You can't,
Everyone.
You should not.
Yeah. Oh, what a beautiful conversation I had with you. Yes, I don't even feel like ending this. But क्या करे, paucity of time भी है, and then our episode has to be within certain, number of hours. And so tell me one thing. After having said all of this, I want to know that one message that you would like to give, especially because it's Mother's Day, to the women out there, to the men out there who have mothered their children. Any particular message that you want to just tell them from the core of your heart?
Like I said, mother is not a biological
Yeah.
thing. It's an attitude. So if you are a nurturer, you just don't have to be a mother. You can be a nurturer. And if you give, you will definitely feel the joy inside. And we need not take things seriously.
Yeah.
But playfully you can grow, and you have to, as you're growing your children, you have to grow yourself as well.
Yeah, that is a beautiful message.
You have to grow yourself.
Yeah.
Because children will grow, but then we live in a time where we have to let them go sometime.
Yeah.
because they also
fly
have
out
to,
of the nest.
Yes,
and
they have to.
After that,
I
you
don't-
can't be.
Yeah, I don't understand today's times. They talk about empty nesters and
Yeah.
things. Children will invariably,
Of
they
course.
have to go, they have to grow.
And you got to let them
And
go.
when you start working
Yeah.
for them, I mean, like when you start to
The
grow
joy.
them, you are giving the strength
Yes.
and you're giving the wind beneath their wings so that they fly.
Yeah.
And then don't hold them.
Don't hold them.
You
It's like clipping their wings
Clipping
again.
their
so you
wings
give them
again.
wings and then you try
You
to
clip
clip
it.
them.
No,
Yeah.
let them.
Yeah.
And you find things that will keep you occupied,
Yeah.
friends that will keep you engaged.
Yeah.
And these things will definitely take you very, very far. And
Right.
and that's the joy, isn't it?
Right. Absolutely.
That's what
absolutely.
that's
Yeah.
what would be my message, that
Lovely. This is like
you know, yeah.
beautiful. The most beautiful message
Yeah.
you could
And
ever
learn
learn
throughout, learn.
throughout your life.
Life.
There's absolutely no
Yeah.
end to learn.
Yeah.
Just as I thought कि भाई खत्म हो रहा है, but मेरे मन में कुछ चल रहा है. एक रैपिड फायर राउंड करूँ आपके साथ. मैंने कुछ सोचा
करो.
नहीं है वैसे, बट एक रैपिड फायर राउंड
करो,
करती हूँ.
फन
ठीक
रहेगा.
है ना?
हैम्पर मिलेगा,
हाँ? मैं
कॉफी विद किरण का.
People who are watching, can you sponsor our hampers, please?
हाँ, भेज देना ना मेरे पास.
मुझे भी
मैं रैपिड फायर खेल रही हूँ ना,
खिला रही हूँ ना.
ठीक है, मेरे को आएगा, मैं बांट दूंगी. भेज देना भाई. आई हैव टू गिव इट टू हर.
Okay. You never know, हम लोगों को अभी we are honestly, actually it is not like that we are announcing, but the more support we get, like Just BLR, Anant and Ruchi have been so solid and so strong in supporting this endeavor, this dream. They said, "Tu kar, hum hai saath mein." Like that, we're actually looking for people to support this whole thing, because where we are getting, again, the OGs, or even the success stories.
I'm that OG who had chai in Anand's pub.
क्या बात है, चाय इन अ पब. बताओ क्या बात
I
है.
said, sir, दुख रहा, चाय लेके आओ. I was served tea.
Wow.
That's why I love that boy.
No, he's an amazing soul, and so is Ruchi. So, चलो अभी मैं रैपिड फायर में आपको, मैंने ना सोचा ही नहीं कि क्या पूछूं, लेकिन मैं पूछती हूँ फिर भी.
पूछो.
Okay. So, Yasmin as a girl or a woman, and why?
I'm still a girl.
Why?
I love to be a girl.
Simple. I knew it's coming, and so it has to be only a girl with you.
Yeah.
I only see that Yas as a girl, always. So I thought she will never say woman.
Yeah, I don't want to grow up.
Nahi na?
Growing up is
Again, not only biologically, right?
biologically.
हाँ.
So I always say, don't be childish, but
हाँ.
be childlike.
वही तो, childish एक अलग चीज़ है जहाँ immaturity दिखाते हो.
Immaturity.
But
I'm
एक होता है
childlike.
live like a child with so
Yeah.
much of joy. And,
Joy.
Yeah.
I love it. So I would
Amazing.
prefer a girl, Yasmin as a girl.
Girl. One tagline for Yasmin, if she is thinking about something in the future. By the way, are you thinking of anything else besides what you're doing now? Is there something cooking up already? You need not be announcing what, but is there something? And if there is, then I need a caption or a tagline for it.
I am on the journey. I don't know my destination.
Right. So you still haven't kind of thought of anything? You don't know when it can,
When.
it may not, but doesn't matter.
Doesn't
You're just
matter.
on-
At
just
least I'm on the journey.
journey. So what
I'm paving a path. I don't know where what the
what the
destination or where
Just
it
you're
is.
going.
Just going.
During the journey कुछ भी
Yeah.
होता है,
Because
कर लेंगे.
हम थोड़ी ना अभी बैठ के 100 साल का प्लान बनाएंगे.
वही, वो तो
नहीं,
है, हाँ.
पता नहीं
Planning वैसे भी
पता नहीं कब हम पक जाए और गिर जाए झाड़ से.
But till the last minute we should live our
चलते
life.
रहो,
ना?
हाँ,
और
चलते
ना?
रहो बस.
So if somebody has to define Yas, I'll give you 3 because मेरे को जब कोई बोलता है ना define yourself in one word, मैंने कहा यार मैं जो इतनी की बनी हुई हूँ एक word में मैं कैसे बोलूँ? So I'll give you that because I understand, I come from there. 3 epithets that you can think about yourself, and how would you describe? 3 words, but 3 ही मुझे epithet चाहिए, 3 ही adjective.
अच्छा. If somebody tells about me,
Yes. How would they define you?
she is a go-getter.
ये तो अपने लाइन बोल दी.
हाँ.
Like go getter.
हाँ.
ऐसे 3 बोलो आप अपने लिए.
3 बोलूं.
हाँ. 3 आप तो उससे ज्यादा हो, मैं तो बोलती हूँ 5 दो यार मुझे, आप क्या, आप तो पता नहीं, आप महारथी हो यार, यू शुड से मुझे 3 में क्या है, मुझे तो 30 बोलो, मैं 30, हाँ तो 3 एटलीस्ट, या
Okay, go getter. Never die attitude.
नेवर द एटीट्यूड.
ये थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट हो गया मेरे लिए,
डिफिकल्ट हो
क्योंकि जल्दी जल्दी याद नहीं आ रहा है.
रैपिड फायर में इतना लंबा गए
इतना
तो
लंबा.
वो फायर तो पूरा बूम बूम
Boom boom हो जाएगा. What would be the other thing?
What is the third thing?
Childlike.
Childlike? I love that.
Yeah.
And for the rest of the epithets and the adjectives that you have for Yas, you can comment on the episode below and let us know what you think about her. That will be the beautiful, most beautiful thing that we could read together, right? Yes.
Yes.
And I had an absolutely very,
And I would
very
love to know what people think about
है ना,
it.
कितना मजा आएगा. देखो ये तो मेरे
बहुत
को
मजा
यही
आएगा.
रैपिड फायर हो गया मेरे लिए तो. So rapid fire for all you guys who are watching us right now. Our episode unfortunately has come to an end for the day. This episode of Life with Yas will never end. And for me, my friendship with her, not just as a woman, as a successful entrepreneur, as a successful momager, as a mother who's seen beyond and more, this is way beyond that. For me, she is a soul that I love the most, so much that I can't tell you in words. It's totally, you know, it's a relationship that I share with her, which is so ethereal, to say the least that I can. Yes, thank you so much.
Thank you
for
very
coming
much.
into my little baby podcast channel that is just launched. 6 months hua hai, and I'm feeling so blessed that you are here with me. I've had amazing guests
Thank
this
you.
too prior to
It's my
that.
pleasure being here with you.
Thank you so much for the support, because all I need is the support right now, because I need to bring out these stories to the people, but I need some amazing stories here too, right? So thank you so much for agreeing at the drop of a hat. मैंने बस एक बार पूछा, आपने हाँ कर दिया. I love you for that. You came
Anything
down
for
all
you.
the way from Mysore just this
Anything
morning.
for you.
Thank you so much and love you so much. One hug and wish you once again a very happy Mother's Day. Thank
wish
you
you the
so
same.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you and bye-bye.
Bye bye.